So I think this is Ami. Today was the last date for the AEEE examination of 2024 first attempt. So here I am with all the conclusion and what you need to do next. Everything I am going to discuss and what was the difficulty level of the paper. From last 6-7 days the examination is going on. So what type of difficulty this year they have asked. So let me inform you, the difficulty is obviously less than JEE mains, but it was a little bit more tougher in some of the shift than last year of AEEE examination, because I am covering it from last 6 years. So I am getting the information every year. They are increasing the difficulty level a little bit. So if you are not getting good marks, no need to worry. Even at less marks you will get better percentile. For that you can check my other video that will be uploaded soon, and you can check the video in detail how much percentile you can expect based on your marks. Now the important thing is that if you are not getting a decent score, even the average score, you are getting below average score, what you need to do? So you need to prepare well for the next attempt, because we have time 3 or 3.5 months, you can say that up to that time you can surely get good result even if you are at zero now. And for that I will help you completely, that is complete counseling and mentorship guidance. I will provide you complete chapter, that is important concept, question, previous year, everything, test series, everything. You will get the complete package at a very nominal charge. If you want, you can contact me. There is a nominal charge obviously for that, and the detail are available on the screen and in the description also, you can check. But now the important thing also, now next thing is there, some of the students are having board examination, some of the students will having JEE examination and other examination. There are SNU, DSAT and other type of exam is also coming up. So how you will cope with all those problems? So I will suggest you, without having a proper counselor you will not able to do the justice with yourself, because you will go in every examination with a mindset that I will get good result, and you will end up with getting the very bad result in every examination. And for your kind information, let me inform you, for that you need to select any 1-2 examination that will fulfill your dream, because nowadays there are lots of exam. If you will go for 10-15 examination, you will be harassed in every 5 or 7 days. You will be having the examination in next 4-5 months. So in that way you will not able to cover, particularly if you have zero preparation now or 20-30% preparation, because you need to complete a very big task. Most of the students are having the preparation level 90%, 80%. I am talking about those students who are having better preparation level. So they can attempt all the examination because they have the preparation level. They will just solve the mock test previous year of every examination. They also need to have the right strategy for different type of examination, because you can't go with the same preparation in every examination, as there are different type of dynamics in every exam. Some exam have easy question, less time. Some exam are having hard question, more time. So this type of thing is there. So particularly for every examination you need to give at least 10-15 days in order to get the better result. Many students who will get better result in JEE, they may not get better result in BITSAT, they may not get better result in Manipal, and vice versa also possible. So my suggestion is to take the decision carefully. It is all about decision, not only the hard work. You may do the hard work for any one examination and you will end up with getting very bad result in other examination. So that's why you need to take it very seriously. Now it is the time, and you have got one bad result. I hope you will not get the bad result, but many of you will not get the good result. This is the reality in AEEE. So once you overcome from this problem and start for the next examination, next attempt, try to analyze everything, thereafter go for that, and I will be helping in that. Soon I will try to provide the complete roadmap for the second attempt also in my next video. But before that, if you want, you can join with me, so that you will be connected each and every time to me, so that you will not have any problem, not only in Amrita but for other entrance exam also. So this was the conclusion regarding the AEEE 2024 first attempt. Math was toughest, physics was second toughest, and chemistry was easiest. This was the pattern of everyday examination. Most of the day we are moderate paper, some of the day we are having the difficult paper also in context of AEEE, not like JEE mains. So hope you get my point clearly. Thanks for watching this video. Please try to subscribe this channel so that you will not miss any update from my side through this channel. Thank you.